Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about the concept of relational operators. Relational operators. So in previous videos I already discussed about what is arithmetic operator and types of arithmetic operators like unary, binary, ternary, and followed by I already given some examples for three operators and given assignment operator also. Okay, so assignment operator means simple assignment, component assignment, expression assignment. So we already discussed these operators in previous video. If you want, you can watch in my playlist of C language, right? So let us talk about the concept of relational operators. Basically C language is supporting 6 types of relational operators, and the result of relational operator is either 1 or 0. That means it may be true or it may be false. In C language, true represents 1, false represents 0. Okay, so that is nothing but the syntax of relational operator will be like this. First we have to define either variable or constant. We can also call it as operand. Okay, operand, relational operator, and again we have to define operand. Operand means either variable or constant. So this is the basic syntax of relational operator. In C language, total we are using following relational operators like less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, and equal to. There is one more operator like not equal to. Total we are using 6 operators. Okay, these all operators are comes under relational operators. So let us discuss each and every one with examples and how to comparing with the characters and how to comparing the strings also. Let us discuss.
See, we are taking values directly. 5 less than 5 less than.
So directly we will talk about examples with constants. So 5 less than 5. Less than means relational operator. So that is nothing but 5 less than 5 means what is the result? The result is 5 is not comparing with 5. Means in this case the result is false. False means 0. Similarly, there is one more expression like 5 less than equal to 5. That is nothing but true. 5 either less than or equal to. Then result is, what is the result? Result is 1. Let us take one more example. 5 greater than 3. Is it true or false? 5 is bigger than 3. That means true. What is the result? Result is 1. Okay, and 5 is less than or equal to 3. So it is false. Less than is not satisfied, equal to is also not satisfied. Ultimately expected value is 0. That means false. And there is a value like 5 equal to 5. What is the result? See, there is a difference. You have to observe that 5 equal to 5 is completely different, and 5 is double equal to 5 is different. Okay, this is single equal to and this is double equal to. Double equal to means comparison, single equal to means assignment. So 5 equal to 5, true or false? 5 is equal to 5 means both are same values, true. Result is true. That is nothing but 1. Similarly, 5 not equal to 5. Is it true or false? Obviously false. The 5 not equal to 5 is false. 5 equal to 5 is true. Here it is false. For example, we can take 5 not equal to 7. True or false? 5 not equal to 7. Your face is different from your brother face, right? Your face is different from your sister face. Similarly, 5 is not equal to 7 is true. See, your face is equal to your mirror face. So your image and your mirror image both are matching. Your image and photographic image both are matching. That is nothing but true. Your image and your brother image, both faces are different. Okay, so mismatching. So here true, here false. So this is the way we can define various relational operators in C language. So let us talk about how to comparing strings and how to comparing characters. Relational operators are comparing with characters. Okay, how to define with the characters? See, how to define a character? The character must be defined in single quotation, right? Either small a or either capital A. Both we can call it as characters. A character must be defining in single quotation. So let us comparing. What are the operators? Less than. So less than means what? A and capital A I am comparing. That means A is character, capital A is also character. What is the result? True or false? The result is, see, in our computer or in our SMS format both are same, but in C language it is false. Okay, why? So false means expected value is 0. See, C language or any programming language supports ASCII character set, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this ASCII character set, A is value like 97 and capital A value is like 65. Okay, so now the comparison is between 97 less than 65. 97 is less than 65. So is it true or false? False. Okay, then expected 0. Okay, similarly you can change the expression. A value greater than capital A, greater than capital A. Okay, then what is the comparison? 97 is ASCII value of small a greater than 65. Both are comparing. 97 is bigger, right? Then expected true is the result. Okay, so when we take a character, okay, when the operand of relational operator is character, okay, so that is going to be comparing with the numerical values of ASCII character set, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, ultimately the result is either true or false, right? So this is the way we can comparing characters. To comparing strings. Okay, string comparison in relational operator. So string means what? The sequence of characters defining under double quotations like hello. Okay, sequence of characters defining under double quotations, hello and hi. So both we can call it as string. Similarly, we can define in double quotations like Ram or John or some name. Okay, now there is a comparison. So how to comparing? The comparison will be hello comparing with hi. How to compare? Between double quotations. So when we comparing two strings, two strings are not comparing directly. Okay, so hello address is available, hi address is available. Okay, so this address is might be 2000, this address is might be 1000. Both will be compared. Okay, both will be compared, and based on the comparison you can expect either one value or you can expect 0 value. So you have to remember one point: whenever we go for the string comparison, the string always comparing with the address, right? So this is the way we can defining characters comparison and string comparisons and numbers directly we can compare, but coming into that characters based on ASCII code we can compare, and for the strings system is comparing with the address. Okay, so it is direct access, right? So this is the way we can use the relational operators. So frequently we are using relational operators in various logic in our C program. So let us discuss with the program.